Okay, before I can even get ready for the day, my tan looks horrible. I saw something posted for free on Facebook Marketplace, and it's something that I want so bad. And she said it's first come, first serve. It's just like on the side of her house. So I'm gonna go get it. I'll show you guys when it's here. It's just a rainy day. I did not clean up last night. I also didn't wake up before my kids this morning, so I am just so stressed out. I did not set myself up for success. It's a disaster in here. Okay, both kids are fed and asleep. My drool spots, oh, this one's not, my drool spot from rocking the baby to sleep. Time to clean. Actually, I'm gonna get myself ready for the day first because I do actually want to look better than this. And then I'm probably gonna clean as well. This is what happens when I don't get up at least like 30 minutes before my kids. I don't get up crazy early, but I like to get up a little bit before them. And now it's 1 p.m. and I'm just now like getting myself together, washing my face, brushing my teeth. Yeah. I changed my mind again, so I want to do a little bit of computer work and some editing, but I also have to just import a bunch of videos, and it takes a while. Like, I have to import it to the computer and then like kind of organize it and then import it into my editing software on my computer. So it takes a second, so I wanted to do that, and I'm also starving. It's now 1:45. I had those waffles like 2 hours ago, but I'm starving. So I'm gonna make some avocado toast with fried eggs while this is importing. I just wanted to get it started, get some things organized, and while it's importing, just doing its thing. I can't do anything anyway, so I'm gonna make some food. After I eat, I will probably also do some voiceovers if I can. It kind of depends on how long the kids stay asleep to do that. Is that a good place? Probably not. Okay. I also forgot to take meat out, so I'm gonna take some ground beef out because I think that will thaw out the fastest from the freezer. I'm a little all over the place today. I'm awake. Hi. Hi.
That's it, Mom.
Go to sleep? Okay. I'm awake. I always catch myself playing in the living room with the kids, and then stuff like this happens, and this is my sign. Okay, take them to the playroom. We have a playroom for a reason. I don't need to be doing this. And we played in the playroom for a long time, probably like 3 hours, I think. And the kids just don't get tired. And the only reason that we got out of the playroom is because the baby needed to take another nap. And Jax just followed me upstairs with the baby because he doesn't really like to play down here by himself. And then Dad got home and I had to show him what I got off of Facebook Marketplace. I was so excited. I didn't have a second to put it together yet. So here I am putting it together, putting it back together, I guess, and just showing my husband and getting all excited. And we were going to actually clean out the garage and like reorganize it tonight, this day. But my husband got home with a huge headache. So after he put the baby down for his nap, he also laid down and took a nap for like an hour and a half. So we did not get anything done in the garage this day, but that's like most days. It does not go as planned around here. Sits in there like that. And then the only thing was that this was hanging right here, but you don't even need it. It's just extra. So I figured I'd leave it off. I just wanted to leave this thing off because it just dates it. If you leave it off, the whole piece just looks a little bit more modern and it will look better next to the table that I already have in here. So yeah, then we went back upstairs and Nathan took a little nap after taking some Tylenol, trying to get rid of his headache. And then I was just gonna make a really simple dinner, basically just using up stuff that I needed to use up. This is my last tomato and I really wanted to use it before it went bad. I wish I had a bell pepper, but I didn't have any. So I'm just cutting up this tomato and I have some onion that I already cut up and put in my freezer. I cut like 10 onions up. We chopped them all up at one time and put them in a freezer bag so that when I need some onion, I can just throw them in. And I'm just gonna cook those up with the ground beef that I got out earlier and some taco seasoning. And I was trying to make taco salad, but then I pulled out my lettuce and the lettuce was rotten. So it's gonna be a night of nachos. Kind of weird and boring and simple, but it's all we really had on hand. So we had nachos. What is that, onions? Where's the pizza? Pizza. Good job. Noodles. Rebecca Rabbit. I know. We were so behind on dishes. Nathan wanted to help me by loading the dishwasher. And yeah, there was a lot, as you can tell. And then we did bath time, and look what the toddler did. He put water all over the bathroom, even up to the ceiling. So yeah, that was all the water that was on the towel on the floor. Yeah, and then I had to go and wipe off all the walls. Pretty much hoping that just air dries because I obviously can't reach it, so that's fun. So this is the kitchen just after my husband loaded the dishwasher for me, and we had so many dishes that there was still a bunch of dishes in the sink. So after bath time, we switched off again with the kids, and obviously you can kind of see my toddler running around here. And my husband is putting the baby to sleep again. He likes to do that in the evenings because I'm with the kids all day and he really wants time with them. So I just finished cleaning up the kitchen while he was putting the baby down. And then I wanted to get some editing done after him and the toddler also went to sleep. I thought I was going to be able to edit both videos that I filmed this week, but I am so tired, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like I did the first video was like a little bit of a faster style of video to edit, but the second one is not at all. So I might edit this vlog in bed maybe, but I feel like I'm gonna get too tired. But I also have so many voiceovers to do, and really late at night or first thing in the morning is the only time that I can do them, because it's the only time it's quiet in my house. I have voiceover for, I have to do little parts for this video, and then I have a bunch of TikToks that need voiceovers. I do like mini vlogs and stuff on my TikTok. And I think I have a cleaning video as well that needs a voiceover, but maybe I finished that yesterday. I can't even remember. I am so scatterbrained today, and I swear it's because I did not wake up early and I didn't clean the house, or like at least like reset this main area before I went to sleep yesterday. Those two things make the biggest difference. And I don't even wake up that much like earlier than my kids. I wake up maybe 30 minutes before the baby, but I'm telling you that 30 minutes like changes the whole trajectory of my day. And I didn't do it today. So I'm kind of having a rough one. I'm kind of having a rough day. I'm scatterbrained. I'm all over the place. I'm not eating properly or like at the right time. Like it's been a freaking mess. So I'm uploading this video that I just finished, and I'll probably do voiceovers and stuff on my phone until it's done uploading, because I kind of have to, well, I could just let it sit here all night, but I don't want to. And I'm gonna stick that coffee I just made in the fridge, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, so I'm just doing the description bar and stuff real quick, and it says it's only gonna take 10 minutes to upload. So then I'll be off to bed. And that is really, I would say, like a pretty good description of a day in the life for me. We had plans. I had plans all day that just got messed up. That's pretty much how every day goes for me. I make plans, doesn't go according to plan, and then I'm tired and I go to bed. But hey, another day in the books. I guess it wasn't a bad day. That was my problem when I first became a mom, that I was like, if I don't get exactly what I wanted done, it's a bad day. But just because I didn't get what I thought I was gonna get done doesn't mean I didn't get anything done. You know what I mean? Just because I didn't do what was on my list doesn't mean I did nothing. So yeah, that is a regular day in the life for me, a random day of the week. And if y'all like these vlogs, I can definitely do them more. I have no problem with that. Let me know down below. And I also have my other YouTube channel and like my Instagram and my TikTok and stuff linked down below at all times. And of course, every single Sunday I put out new cleaning videos. So if you're here for the cleaning videos, every Sunday, I got the whole playlist that'll also be here. So I will see you guys in another video very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.